Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new Chanel bag. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So I know I take long breaks off of YouTube. I try so hard to come with the content, but sometimes life happens and it takes me away from you guys, and I'm so sorry. But thank you to all of my subscribers that have stayed and all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Welcome. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, I will leave my name down below. It is Everybody Loves Drea. And then I also started a TikTok, which I want you guys to follow me because I really like TikTok. I like posting on there. Let me know what you guys would like to see from me if you have any suggestions. So I attempted to unbox these on my TikTok. It was kind of a fail. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly what I got from Chanel. I went into the store. In this first small box, I am obsessed with these. Wait until you guys see. Really want to start wearing gold more. I love these. There was a necklace that matched those earrings, but I got another necklace. And here's what this necklace looks like. It just has the little CC. But a few weeks ago, I put in an order for this bag. My SA, she ordered it from the Chicago Chanel store. So it comes with this care booklet and also this cloth. So this bag actually came with 2 cloths and 2 care booklets, which, okay. And here is the bag. Can you guys guess what it is? So I don't have any Chanel bags of this style, but I am so excited. It's so pretty. Here it is. And I am obsessed with this color. Like, this is my favorite color. Here is the back. You get the Mona Lisa pocket. I've noticed that Chanel has started putting that little mini logo inside the CCs. So I think this is a small Coco handle. Here is the tag if you're interested. Here is the inside. It has a main compartment and some kind of like bigger slip pocket and then a zipper pocket as well. It does have 4 feet on the bottom as well, and the strap is removable but not adjustable. And this bag is in caviar leather, so you can crossbody this bag if you are shorter than I am, because it looks a little weird on me. I'm about 5'4", and it looks a little weird like that. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one.